Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today, problem solving session for chemistry. Today we are going to give 7 questions in states of matter. Okay, the next day we are giving the solution for that. Can you go to the first one? Now see the question. Here also in this lesson also we have so many formulas are there. So first you should memorize the formula. Here nothing but Charles law, Boyle's law, Dalton's law of partial pressure, Gregham's law. Understood? So these are all laws, statements are there. Based on we have some formulas are there. This is all if you memorize means, if you know means you can use to solve these sums. Understood? Okay. Now see the first question. A vessel of 120 ml capacity contains a certain mass of gas at 20 degrees Celsius and 750 millimeter pressure. The gas was transferred to a vessel whose volume is 180 ml. The pressure of the gas at 200 Celsius is dash. That's a question. Okay. This is based on Boyle's law. If you know the Boyle's law statement means you can easily solve the sum. Okay. P is equal to constant. Based upon this. Okay. Now see the option 250 millimeter of mercury, 400 millimeter of mercury. Option C 500 millimeter of mercury. Option D 1000 millimeter of mercury. Okay. Now see the next one. This question based on Charles law. Okay. Now see the question. At what temperature centigrade will the volume of a gas at 0 degrees Celsius double itself, the pressure remaining constant? Option A 373 degrees Celsius. Option B 273 degrees Celsius. Option C 173 degrees Celsius. Option D 573 degrees Celsius. Now see the third question. The temperature at which 28 gram of N2 will occupy a volume of 10 liters at 2.46 atmosphere is dash. Option A 273 Kelvin. Option B 299.6 Kelvin. Option C 336.9 Kelvin. Option D 283.3 Kelvin. So this is that you studied ideal gas equation P is equal to nRT. So this sum based upon this, if you know this, you can be able to solve these sums. Understood? Now see the fourth question. 200 ml of hydrogen and 250 ml of nitrogen each measure at 15 degrees Celsius and 760 millimeter pressure are put together in a 500 ml flask. The final pressure of the mixture at 15 degrees Celsius is dash. That's a question. Okay. Option A 684 millimeter. Option B 564 millimeter. Option C 654 millimeter. Option D 554 millimeter of mercury. Okay. Now see the next one. Everything based on formula only. So just memorize the formula. It will be you can use to solve the sums. Understood? See the fifth one. Equal volume of two gases A and B diffuse through a porous spot in 20 and 10 seconds respectively. If the molar mass of A is 80, the molar mass of B is what? That's the question. Okay. Option A 30 gram per mole. Option B 20 gram per mole. Option C 35 gram per mole. Option D 40 gram per mole. Okay. So this one is based on Gregham's law of diffusion. So that's a statement. That statement if you must know. At the same time, you should know that here we have some formula for that, Gregham's law of diffusion. That statement and formula, if you know means you can use to solve the sums. Understood? See the next one. The temperature at which average velocity of oxygen molecule is equal to RMS. RMS means root mean square velocity at 27 degrees Celsius is A 90.34 degrees Celsius, B 70.63 degrees Celsius, C 80.57 degrees Celsius, D 90.8 degrees Celsius. Okay. So here we have formula for that. We have to equate average velocity, root mean square velocity. If you equate, you can find out the solution for this sum. Understood? See the next one. RMS, I already told you, root mean square velocity of molecules of gas of density 4 kilogram per meter cube and pressure is 1.2 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square is Option A 900 meter per second. Option B 120 meter per second. Option C 600 meter per second. Option D 300 meter per second. Understood? So here also we have some formula. So then if you know this, we can able to find out. Here root mean square velocity, average velocity. We have so many formulas are there. So, okay, if you know the formula, you can able to solve the sums. Understood? So just go through this before I'll give before that you should ready for the solution. Okay, so when I give solutions to these sums, so if you know what the formula means, you can easy to understand. Thank you, students.